personas, all is hopeless in the game now. The wrong devotion flows through those who chase the same cloud. The pollen floating through the industry got this congested. I'm XXL if they fit the penny. Fuck who they pick as freshmen. I SMS it, DM it, and double send it till they get the message. I road tripped and left with nothing. I've been in the city of angels long enough to sit and question their successes. Who they paying, who they get in bed with. Oh, I can't trust a nigga. You rub a nigga wrong, heard to get to your position that you suck a nigga off. And cover-ups are troublesome. They hear a couple months and back up on the struggle bus. I see the shoe fitting well on you Cinderella boys. Cause dressing feminine, stepping in as a selling point. Renting toys, taking pics, hope you break 1,000 likes. Claim you got that life but niggas never see you out at night. I'ma need you to vacate the premises. You really reaching to maintain your relevance. The main reason why I don't have any friends in this is when I'm in the room, I'm addressing the elephants. And they paying for plays and traffic. They better off playing in traffic. I peep game for a while, I ain't quick to judge, but I can see him breaking character. The jig is up.